many years, I wasn't sure whether I wanted to become a solicitor or a barrister. After my undergraduate degree, I worked for an organisation called Croydon Housing Aid Society. There I met His Honour Judge Luba KC. Once I'd heard him speak, I knew I wanted to be a barrister.
Well, we decided to organize this event for the students. Not only they can communicate via this event to each other, but also they learn quite employability skills, networking, communication, collaboration. They learn how to be resilient and find the information. We are expecting, hopefully by end of it today, we will have some flashing lights, they go different movements, tracking lines and so on.